GM soldiers, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to use the RSI Screener or RSI Heatmap TradingView indicator by Leviathan. This indicator is a very powerful indicator because, as you can see here, it allows you to monitor different types of coins or different types of assets in the crypto market and monitor if they are overbought or oversold, okay, by an RSI standpoint. So if you are an RSI trader, this indicator can help you identify coins that in the time frame that you use are overbought or oversold. In this way, you can then analyze the chart, the price action of the chart, and then realize if you can enter long positions or short positions. So to use this indicator, you have to go here into the indicators tab of TradingView, and then you search for RSI Screener, and you can see, sorry, this needs an A. You can see here the RSI Screener / Heatmap by Leviathan. And as you can read here in the indicator explanation, here Leviathan explains all the functions and all the features that you can use with this indicator. And is almost overall what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm going to explain you how to configure or how to do the settings of the indicator and how to use it in your trading strategy. So now that we have the indicator loaded into our chart, we can go into the settings tab of the indicator here, and we can have here different settings that we can change. So for example, here we can display as a screener or as a group average RSI. I prefer to use it as a screener because if I use the average RSI, it just prints a line of the average of the group, because as you can see, you can divide the coins by groups. Okay, but I prefer to use it as a screener because if I'm monitoring different assets or different coins to enter long or short, I can see if they are overbought or oversold easily. Okay, I'm going to zoom in this, so this way it will be easier for you. So now if we go back to the settings chart, you can see that also we can change the RSI source, so we can use the price as a RSI source, also the opener interest, and also the OBV, okay? But I prefer to use it as in price, okay? Because price is, as you know, everything. Also, you can change the RSI length. I leave it by default because 14 is a good RSI length. And also, you can select the RSI time frame. So if you put this option, that is chart, okay, the RSI time frame will change depending on the time frame you use in the upper part of the chart. So here you have the time frame, and then the time frame of the RSI indicator will change automatically depending on the time frame that you're using in your chart. For example, right now I'm in the 4-hour time frame, so the RSI screener that is appearing here on my chart is gathering the data from the price data, okay, because the source is the price of the 4-hour chart. But if I switch to the 1 hour, it will be taking the 1 hour price data on the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour time frame. And also here you can change the groups that you want to screen in the screener. So as you can see, Leviathan has done a script with 7 presets that you can load the tickers, okay? As you can see here in the part below on the settings of the indicator, you can type in here the tickers of the coins, and then you can divide it by groups, okay? Here you have the ticker group 1, and you can type here the tickers, the group 2, group 3, group 4, okay? You have 7 groups, and then you can write here the tickers if they are obviously on TradingView and you have the data. So this way you can monitor the different tickers that you want to screen in different groups. So this is very useful if you want to, let's say, keep track of different altcoins abroad of all the crypto market and then make trading decisions based on it. Also here you have a grading coloring. I leave the settings by default because this changes the colors. You can see that, for example, if they are oversold, they display in red. So this in theory means that you can begin searching for longs, okay? And if they are blue, this means that they are overbought, so you can begin searching for shorts in theory, or to sell the asset in spot. Okay, so these are the settings of the indicator. Very simple indicator, very complete indicator. And as I said, how can I use this indicator? So in theory, if you are an RSI trader, you should know that RSI, what it measures if the asset is below 50, the 50 line, okay, let's draw here a line on the 50 area. If the asset or the token is below the 50 area, we can consider below the 50 and above the 30 usually. Okay, as you can see here, Leviathan has also programmed that the lower part of the range is the 30 and the upper part of the range is the 70. That is the usual RSI levels that traders use. So if the asset or the token is below the 50 line, here we can begin analyzing the chart, the price action chart of the asset. For example, here is Litecoin, Ordinals, Phantom, Floki, Sui, okay, Arbitrum, okay, these all are coins that we consider that are overbought and oversold. So then we can begin searching for longs. Okay, this usually means that the coin is overbought. So now we can begin searching for oversold. So we can begin searching for longs. Okay, but you cannot enter a long just based on this indicator. Then you know that this for example, Phantom. Here we have the RSI at 37.8. Okay, so this means that is very near to 30 and a lot below 50. So this is a lot of oversold. Okay, so here this is telling me that maybe Phantom wants to have a potential reversal to the upside. So then what I have to do is to go here into the Phantom chart. Okay, open the Phantom chart. Let me see if it loads. And once I have the price action of the Phantom chart, I analyze here. Okay, as we can see, the indicator is printing like it's oversold, but the price action is telling me that it has already done a big pump to the upside and now it's consolidating here. So we need to analyze the screener. The RSI screener just gives us potentially oversold and potentially overbought altcoins or tokens that we can watch before, after the chart, the price action, and then decide if we want to enter long or short. Okay, but usually what it does is this displays a overall screener of all the altcoins, of all the coins, of all the tokens of the crypto market, and then you decide, once you look at the individual price chart of every asset, if you can enter longs or shorts, because this indicator is just to give you an overall idea of the position by an RSI standpoint of every coin or every altcoin that you want to track. Okay, as I said before, divided by groups that you can choose here. For example, if I select here right now on the third group, you can see here that the tickers here will change. Okay, now we have Cake, Moon River, we have ENS, RNDT. Okay, so Algorand. Okay, we change the group and the coins or the tokens here displayed change. Okay, so this indicator basically is just to have an overall picture of the RSI points on different assets or different tokens. Okay, but as Leviathan says here, okay, here you can have different displays as I explained you right now afterwards. Okay, so you have here different. You can use the divergence heatmap. Okay, that is not available soon. The RSI heatmap that is not available soon, and also the average RSI that is was I showed you before with a straight line, and also the screener with labels that is what I was analyzing before. Okay, but as I said before, this indicator is not meant to use it alone. It's just to give you a bigger picture on where every coin is at this moment by an RSI standpoint. Okay, from my point of view, I don't use RSI on my trading strategy. I am not an RSI trader. Okay, I'm not saying that because I don't use RSI, RSI is not a good tool to use in trading. It's just that I don't like it to use it. Okay, just is my personal preference. But study RSI, study overbought and oversold levels, and then apply this to this screener. And as I said before, once you spot coins that can have a potential reversal to the short side or to the long side, if they are overbought or oversold, then you go to the chart and then you analyze the chart. For example, here Link says that it's overbought, okay? So because RSI is at 64.2. So now if we go at the link chart by a price action standpoint, now I will decide if I can enter long, okay? For me now, from price action is making a lower low and another lower high, okay? So now maybe here we go down, find liquidity here and then bounce. So here I will be entering longs by a price action standpoint, okay? If you look here, it is telling you that link is overbought, okay? So technically, just by RSI, this is telling you to sell link. But if I analyze price action, this to me is looking that is making a bounce and then a push to the upside to mitigate the order blocks or last swing highs in this upper part of the chart, okay? But this is, I enter trades, I'm a price action trader, not an RSI trader, so I enter trades based on price action. So the RSI can indicate me where the coin is, if it's overbought or oversold, but to enter the actual trade, I need to look at the price action and the price chart, as I always do, okay? And also other indicators that I use as volume, EMAs and other things to decide if I enter long or short, or if this coin has a potential run to the upside or to the downside. But today I just wanted to give you this indicator by Leviathan because I think that is a very good tool to monitor in one screen. That is what is called screener, to monitor in one screen different types of assets and have an overall picture or a bigger picture, a zoom out picture of all the coins that I want to track in a different market or a different group, okay? Because the cool feature of this indicator is that the indicator allows you to divide the coins by groups and you can customize these groups, okay? You can customize, let me see here, you can customize the tickers by different groups. So you can put the top 10 or the top 25 altcoins here by market cap, and you know that these are the RSI of the most traded or the altcoins that have the bigger market cap in the crypto market, okay? And then you can begin making groups based on your preference. So you can make a group of meme coins, you can make a group of you know DeFi coins, you can make different groups of coins just typing here the ticker, and then the indicator will take automatically the information of the RSI based on the price or based on the setting that you choose here of this ticker and display it here on the screener. So this is the video for today. Just want to share with you this new indicator that Leviathan published. As you already know, Leviathan does a very good job publishing crypto market and indicators for trading altcoins and crypto assets in general. So shout out here to Leviathan because he's doing a very good job for the crypto community and the crypto traders community here for free, because obviously these indicators are just for free. And also these indicators, you can use them on TradingView, because many times these features you can only use them accessing like other paid platforms like CoinGlass or CoinGlass, and the other one was, I didn't remember the name, but there are many other platforms that you can pay and then see these kind of screeners. But in this case, thanks to Leviathan and his indicators, you can access this for free and also inside of TradingView. So that's it for today's video. As I always remind you, follow me on Twitter, or X as we call it right now, where I publish daily trading ideas, daily trading setups, daily trading signals, daily trading market analysis on different types of assets, obviously on the crypto market, because I just trade crypto. And also you can follow me on YouTube, where you are seeing, hopefully you are seeing this video right now on YouTube. So subscribe here on YouTube, give me a like, so this way the algorithm will help boost this video to more people. Also, if you have any type of comment or question, please leave me a comment of the comment section here, and I will try to answer your question the best that I can, the best of my ability. And also you can follow me on Instagram and on Rumble. Here in the part below on the screen, you have all my social media accounts, so you can search me there and follow me there if you want to keep a close contact to me. So thank you for your time, and we see you in the next video.